Today's trend-following strategy combines two strong TradingView indicators. I'll break down each indicator's features and show you how to use them together in an effective strategy, with recommended settings and optimization tips. Let's dive in. The Zero-Lag Trend Signals, MTF, by AlgoAlpha, is a powerful trend-following indicator designed to help identify market direction with minimal lag. This script applies a zero-lag EMA, which reacts faster to price changes while filtering out noise. One of its standout features is multi-timeframe analysis. The indicator tracks trends across up to 5 different timeframes, from short-term intraday movements to larger trends on the daily chart. A table in the top right corner dynamically updates to show whether each timeframe is bullish or bearish, giving traders a quick visual confirmation of trend alignment. To improve accuracy, the script incorporates volatility-based bands using the average true range. These adaptive bands help detect significant price movements and reduce false signals. The indicator plots color-coded arrows on the chart. A small green arrow appears when the price crosses the ZLEMA in a bullish trend, and a red arrow signals a bearish entry. The TP RSI builds upon the traditional RSI by adding advanced features like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and customizable parameters. This enhanced version incorporates an exponential moving average of the RSI, which smooths the curve to reduce noise and provide clearer trend signals. Bollinger Bands are applied to the RSI, creating dynamic boundaries that adjust to market volatility. The custom sigma parameter fine-tunes these bands to reflect more responsive upper and lower levels based on RSI movements. Additionally, a multi-moving average cloud system visually represents trends, with short and long-term EMAs signaling bullish or bearish conditions. By blending trend-following tools, volatility-based analysis, and customizable parameters, this script surpasses the standard RSI, offering versatility and adaptability across various market conditions. This trend-following strategy works on any instrument and time frame. For this specific setup, use the settings displayed on screen. I've set the AlgoAlpha band multiplier to 2 for reduced noise, but feel free to experiment if these aren't ideal for your trading style. The strategy's strength comes from the confirmation signals between TP RSI and AlgoAlpha indicators. If you'd take long entry here, for example, you'd be stopped out. That's why we need signals confirmed by the TP RSI. For valid entry signals, wait until TP RSI also flips bullish, meaning the EMA ribbon must turn blue, and the RSI must also be blue and close outside the ribbon. So you need blue ribbon, blue RSI, and long entry signal by AlgoAlpha simultaneously. That's the foundation of how this strategy works, but here are some optimization tips most won't share. During strong trends when price keeps getting rejected, you can confidently re-enter on pullbacks without issues. However, when you start seeing red AlgoAlpha band fragments and the red RSI inside the ribbon, we've likely entered a consolidation phase with sideways price action. These phases are most dangerous since there's no clear direction, so we wait. Our goal is capturing only the most reliable entries. In this scenario, draw a trend line over the price chart and wait for it to break. But notice even after breakout, if the TP RSI ribbon remains bearish, we continue waiting for it to turn bullish before entering. Another crucial aspect is determining which direction to trade, as signals sometimes contradict each other. In this example, we had an uptrend, and unless we see a complete trend reversal, we shouldn't take any short trades. How do we confirm reversal? Draw a trend line, and once broken, start looking for short entries. When all signals align, you can enter with greater confidence. Here, we have the trend line break with multiple confluences confirming our entry, price pullback and rejection of this trend line, along with the AlgoAlpha band and sell signal, confirmed by the red TP RSI ribbon and red RSI. Same re-entry rules apply for shorts. Wait for price pullback and rejection while other conditions remain met. If you're interested in the smart money concept trading, our previous video reviewed 5 profitable SMC TradingView indicators, which you can check out here.